My name is Christian Götze. I'm the head of development of ZEISS. ZEISS is a vendor of software for visualization, analysis and publication of very large image data. So we provide our software to customers all over the world. We have partners as ZEISS who sells our software. This year we brought to the neuroscience a new approach of volume rendering. We connected direct volume rendering with virtual reality, and so we show virtual reality in the Oculus Rift flying through a brain, flying through brain cells, and visualizing all these volumetric data. Virtual reality gives you a deeper insight. You don't look at the data, but you're in the data. That means you can look around, you can have a look at different parts, you can move your head to look around things, and this gives you a much better understanding, especially if you have complex data as neuron data with different connections and so on. The hard thing about visualization in virtual reality is you need at least 75 frames per second to not become seasick, because your inner eye gives you an information where you are, and if this not matches with your eyes, you get something like motion sickness. And that's why we had to develop a complete new rendering approach, which is able to give you these 75 frames per second, even for volumetric data. The software we show at the neuroscience right now is not a product. It's a prototype, it's an experiment, and we are here to get information from potential customers what would be interesting about that. What would they do with the software, which applications they would like to be implemented on top of the things we have right now. So far we are able to visualize things. That means you can dive into your data, you can explore it, but in the future we would like to have tools so we could track the hands, and that means you could grab things, you could point on things, and you could interact with the data, and this gives you complete new tools to handle data, to analyze data, and as I said, to interact with the data.